Hello everyone, my name is Michael Blanchard from Air Turbine Tools. Today we'll be discussing how to avoid hours of lost machine time and prevent damage to your parts with the new Tool Breakage Alarm System. The Tool Breakage Alarm System monitors the cubic feet per minute, or CFM, for deviation from your baseline. When a deviation occurs, the alarm will sound. This alerts the operator that something is wrong and limits the damage done to your parts while saving you wasted cycle time. The Tool Breakage Alarm System works with any air turbine spindle because of our patented governed direct drives. The air turbine spindles operate reliably with no duty cycle for 24/7 non-stop operations and only require 90 psi of dry, clean air and 6.2 bar of pressure. Now, to set up the Tool Breakage Alarm System, you need to connect the air line into the filter. And from the filter, it goes directly into the Tool Breakage Alarm System. And from there, it goes right into the spindle. To set up the Tool Breakage Alarm System, first, you need to get the baseline by running your spindle in idle for 5 minutes or until the CFM is stable. Secondly, once you establish the CFM, you set the meter to your baseline. And finally, hit the blue button, start your program, then flip the switch. While the tool is cutting, it's going to draw more CFM. When the tool breaks or the cycle stops, it will go back to its baseline, and after 5 seconds it will set off the alarm. The Tool Breakage Alarm System additionally features an external port that can be connected into your machine's controller to stop the program. For setup instructions and specifications, please visit our website at airturbinetools.com or email us at ask@airturbinetools.com.